Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're going to be installing the Borla ATAK dual axle-back exhaust available for the 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL 2 and 4-door equipped with the Pentastar 3.6-liter V6 engine. Now this axle-back exhaust is made right here in the USA, manufactured from T304 stainless steel, and it features smooth mandrel bends for a free-flowing exhaust that's sure to deliver your Wrangler with more horsepower and torque. Now the exhaust is available in both a standard stainless steel finish as well as the durable high temperature resistant ceramic black coating like we have here, and it features a single 2.75-inch diameter inlet pipe running into the muffler and then dual 2.5-inch diameter outlet pipes running down to the oversized 3.5-inch tips, featuring rolled edges and an angle cut design for a great aggressive look. Now speaking of aggressive, this muffler doesn't just look mean, it delivers where it counts as well. It features Borla's ATAK technology, which is going to give you the highest street legal decibel levels available for a great aggressive sound. Now that ATAK technology uses different degrees of sound walls combined with perforation patterns inside the muffler to deliver a powerful yet still clean sound all the way through the acceleration curve. Now that's enough talk about the muffler here on the table. Why don't we go ahead and get it installed on our Wrangler so we can hear just how it sounds. Now, installing the new Borla ATAK axle-back exhaust is easy. In fact, you're only going to need a few tools to get the job done. You're going to need a torque wrench that's going to be used for torquing down that exhaust clamp. You're also going to need a 15mm socket along with an extension and either a socket wrench or an impact gun. A 13mm ratchet wrench will come in handy when you're bolting back up those exhaust hanger brackets, along with a 13mm socket, again an extension and a socket wrench. And then of course having some spray lubricant on hand will make the job of installing those rubber exhaust hangers easier onto the new exhaust. Now we've already gone ahead and prepped our Jeep and removed the factory exhaust so that we can begin by installing our new axle-back exhaust. If you need to know how to remove your factory exhaust, you can click that info button to check out our Quadratec Academy video, where we gave you detailed step-by-step instructions on how to remove the factory axle-back exhaust. Now the first step we need to go ahead and do is start by installing our exhaust hangers onto the new axle-back exhaust. Now you have to remember that these brackets are side specific, and the quickest way to verify you've got the correct bracket for the correct side of the exhaust is to simply place the flat side of the bracket away from the muffler, and then you want this little hook on the bracket facing the back towards the exhaust tips. Now here's where it's a good idea to go ahead, just spray a little bit of spray lubricant inside that rubber bushing and then slip it right on to the hanger. Now with both hangers installed, the next thing we need to do here on the table is to go ahead and slip the new exhaust clamp onto the inlet pipe. Now it's helpful if you position the bolt on the clamp to the outside of the muffler. It's just going to make it a little easier to gain access to that once we slip it up underneath the Jeep. Simply slide it over the inlet pipe. And now with that clamp in place, we're ready to go ahead and lift the exhaust up underneath of our Wrangler. And we're simply going to hold it into place and slip the inlet pipe over our mid pipe and then position those two hanger brackets. We can grab the bolts. Now before tightening down that exhaust clamp, you want to go ahead and flip up the two exhaust hangers into place. And then we can start by loosely installing one of the lateral bolts through the bracket into the frame. Now with those exhaust hangers installed, now's a good time to go ahead and make sure that you're happy with the fitment of the exhaust before you tighten down that exhaust clamp. So you can see we're a little higher on one side, and you can fix that by simply working the exhaust a little bit, rotating the inlet pipe around the mid pipe, and once you're happy with the placement and the fitment of the exhaust. You can go ahead and grab your 15mm socket and your impact gun or your wrench, and you want to tighten down that exhaust clamp. Now, Borla recommends you tighten that clamp down to 32 to 35 foot-pounds. Well, it's just that easy to get your new Borla ATAK dual axleback exhaust installed in your 2018 or newer Jeep Wrangler JL. Now, it's important to remember that every new exhaust system is going to go through a short break-in period before you start to achieve optimal sound. You're also going to smell some of those manufacturing oils and things burning off for the first couple miles while you're driving. Now, we're going to give this a few days to break in, and then we're going to come back and let you hear just how this new Borla ATAK series dual axleback exhaust sounds on our 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL Rubicon. If you guys want to get more information or purchase this system to go on your Wrangler, you can click that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the exhaust or the installation process, you can leave those for us in the comment section below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. And you'll definitely want to hit that subscribe button so you're sure to catch all of our latest product reviews and install videos. Until next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.